We had about 30 people from our company come, key leaders about helping us understand what it means to become a data-driven culture.
We needed to have people from different teams. We needed to think about this together so that we could actually think towards solutions together rather than building our own solutions in our own silos so that we get a cohesive organizational structure and culture.
The team was fantastic, the energy level was high. My keynote was all about how to build and design a data-driven company culture. IVP from day one was saying, okay, what does phase 1 look like? So what does phase 2 and phase 3 look like? How do we get to the final end result? Everything from sales intelligence to inventory management to how do you think about product and product trends and market trends? And those segments really helped inform a more holistic plan and strategy they could deploy as an organization.
A key takeaway for us is we really need to let go of that idea of I'm not a tech person or I'm not a data person.
It was interesting to realize that while technology is often seen as a solution for problems, that a lot of the problems are actually rooted in our culture and in the ways that we relate to each other.
We broke out into small groups and were able to hear in a more intimate setting how we felt about specialized topics. I was able to connect with colleagues and I really learned a lot.
And some of those issues might be really small but might be trickling into something that is larger that can impede on the overall success of any organization. That was the biggest point of the breakouts, was to take a step back, level set, and understand exactly where we stand today so that we could see a true pathway forward that will be effective.
We also talked about how to thrive in an era of rapid change, how to think as a leader around how you can be a champion of data within your organization, really having a scenario where you can build some of those aspects into a company culture. Much of what we heard on the positive side is that they have more of a clear and definitive path with how to think through solving for some of those pain points, which is always exciting.
One of my takeaways, by the end of the day, we got to the 4 key areas and setting some priorities for those.
I was impressed with EX3 Labs. They really walked us through the process and helped us understand where we are, why we are where we are, and where we need to go.